Hello, we are Group 7. Our initial analysis argued that the global AI development industry is evolving into a winner-take-most structure, where economic value concentrates at the foundational layers, particularly infrastructure and frontier models. The massive capital requirements, specialized talent, and access to compute create formidable entry barriers. A critical bottleneck in GPUs allows upstream suppliers to capture a disproportionate share of profits, reinforcing supply-side dominance. At the same time, success in this industry is cumulative. Firms must continually overinvest in R&D to defend short-lived technical advantages. Industry concentration is therefore defined less by firm count and more by the distribution of economic power and profitability. The global AI market has now moved beyond a race for smarter models. It has become a structural war for ecosystem control. Across all 5 players we studied, embedding to increase switching costs has emerged as a common strategy. On the hardware front, NVIDIA uses CUDA to lock in developers, while Google pursues vertical integration through its own TPU silicon to bypass the compute bottleneck. Microsoft acts as a platform orchestrator, embedding Copilot across widely used enterprise software. In contrast, pure-play developers, like OpenAI and Anthropic, lacking their own chips or cloud infrastructure, rely on deep alliances and agentic workflows to remain competitive in this capital-intensive environment. The market has effectively split into 2 camps: those who own infrastructure and those who lease it. Google and Microsoft leverage scale and integration to secure supply, while NVIDIA extracts rents as the industry's gatekeeper. Meanwhile, OpenAI and Anthropic remain structurally dependent on hyperscalers to survive the arms race. Our findings largely confirmed our initial theory. NVIDIA's compute dominance proved real, and the infrastructure arms race is accelerating. However, we refined one key insight: the firms currently winning are not necessarily those building the best models, but those orchestrating the strongest ecosystems. Microsoft and Google are succeeding primarily through integration and distribution advantages, not just benchmark performance. The AI race has shifted from software to hardware, from chatbots to infrastructure. Long-term success now depends on owning the stack: energy, chips, data centers, and distribution platforms. The ultimate winners will not be the loudest apps, but the firms that become invisible, embedding AI as the default engine of the global economy. In short, if you don't control the infrastructure, you don't control the future.